Okay, we're gonna get ready to test out this charger, this jump box out here on my SUV. So it's a 05, 06, what is this, Caravan, what the hell they call these things? SUV, big Chevy. So this thing has a dead battery in it. It's hard starting, doesn't like to start. So it's really dead, see, nothing works. So I think this battery is 100% dead now. So yeah, no lights of any kind, nothing comes on, totally dead. So there you go. It's definitely got nothing to work with. So, you popped out there. The other thing this thing has, it has a tire back here that likes to go flat. And it looks like it's getting flat down there. So this is also a tire inflator. I'm going to go ahead and test out the inflator too. So it's on the back. This thing fills up tires pretty quickly also. The only thing I don't like about this unit is it's got one short cable, one long cable, but they both should be long, which is a lot better. But oh well. Can't have everything perfect, right? So this thing here, got a 5.3 in here. It's hard starting. It likes to just spin, 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 spin when no fuel getting to it, and other times it starts right up. You never know what it's going to be. So this one here has a 78 battery in there, group 78. So let's see, this one's a 650 cranking amp and 800 other amps. And the one in my S10 is bigger, it's 1000 and 750. So, all right, so we're gonna put this thing up on here. Now this is the on button here if you have to use it, but I think this one's on. Okay, this has a small little post. Now these things are really hard to hold on to. Let's see how good these clamps are. They're still hard to get onto, but it does hold. This one over here, oh, wrong one. Hey, that's the black one, dumbass. This is the one over here that takes the hot lead. There's also a connection over there if you want to use that one. See, this makes it rough with a short one. It makes it hard to get to. So, I don't know if I have to hit the button on this or not. Obviously, you need to hit it because we got no power. Charge. I don't know what the battery voltage is. There might be some button that tells you that, but I don't know. Okay, so now when you turn this thing on, we got nothing. Oh, that's not a good sign. Easy, just hook it up and go. And now the lights are on, which I don't want on. It just sucks juice up. Well, that's annoying. There, they're off. Maybe the machine's on this time. We'll find out.
How's your day going?
All right.
Everything good?
Yeah.